So here is a quick explanation of your assignment today. The goal is to look at the depths of some earthquakes to see if we can determine what type of plate boundary is nearby based on how deep the earthquakes are. So to do this, we're going to graph some data. Now, I just made up one, so please don't copy this exactly because it's not correct for your data. I just wanted to show you what the end result should look like. We're going to put a depth of 0 at the top because it's a surface, and then we're going to go down deeper. So make sure you have a label over here. You figure out what units to use, and you're going to put numbers in right over here showing me how deep it is. Make sure it goes deep enough. On the bottom, you're going to have earthquake number 1 through 7. So if I look at my data table, my first place location is California, which is a transform boundary, and that gives me the depth for 8 different earthquakes. So if I did this right, I should have a number 8 over here, but let's just say that's my location 1. You can see it's red in my picture, and so I have these red dots, boom, 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 boom. And again, I just made these up. These numbers are not yours, so don't copy them. And then I connected all the red lines. And you can see location 1 has just shallow earthquakes. Now, once I graph it for location 2, which is orange, you can see they're kind of all over the place. And location 3 has earthquakes that are even deeper and all over the case. All over the case. How about all over the place? Anyway, the point is, when you get done, you should have 5 different colored zigzaggy lines on here showing whether they're shallow or deep or all over the place, because you have 5 different locations with 5 different types of plate boundaries. Then you have some questions to answer that kind of help you think through which ones had deeper earthquakes, which ones had shallow earthquakes, and why. So again, I want you to figure out the scale over here. I want you to draw a better house than mine, maybe even a better tree than mine. Make sure you have a key over here telling me which location is California, which one is New Zealand, etc. Don't just write location 1 like I did. Write the actual locations and the type of plate boundary. Okay? Then when you're answering these questions on the bottom, when it says which locations, they're asking about these, California, Atlantic Ocean. When they say what type of plate boundary features, now you look at the plate boundary type. Okay? So anyway, hopefully that helps. If you have more questions, feel free to ask, but I think that should help out a little bit. Hope you're having a great week.